Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today I'm showing you how to quickly find the highest and lowest marks in a class using the max and min formulas in Excel. Let's jump in. So here we have a list of students' names, and next to them we have their marks. We want to know who scored the highest and who scored the lowest. Excel makes this super easy. Let's start with finding the highest marks. Click on an empty cell and type equals max C2 to C16, hit enter. And Excel instantly shows you the top marks in the entire list. No sorting, no manual checking. Max finds it instantly. Now let's find the lowest marks. Again, use an empty cell and type equals min C2 to C16, press enter, and boom, you get the lowest score from the list. Min is perfect for spotting weak scores or checking who needs improvement, and that's how easy it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel hacks.